Hi, I'm Alex Young. I'm a horticulturalist for the RHS and I am absolutely mad about houseplants. And so this year, the RHS have chosen me to be their houseplant gardener for Christmas. I absolutely love houseplants and some of my favourites are philodendron, calathea and paphiopedilum. And if you've got a friend or a family member that's as bonkers about plants as I am, then I've got a few gift ideas that can really make their Christmas bloom. A hanging plant is always a great addition to any room. You can place it exactly where it's going to get the right amount of light. And if you have a plant lover in your life, they might just like this funky macrame plant hanger just as much as I do. The easiest way to bring colour into your home is with a lovely pot, like these two here, which are inspired by our RHS gardens. And even like with this big pot here, I can imagine it in the corner of a room with a giant monstera in, really filling up a corner. I love houseplants because they bring me peace. A long day at the office, so to speak, come home and you could just shut your door and have that one-to-one moment with your plants in complete silence. And it's just peaceful and I love it. The RHS believe that gardening is for everyone, no matter how much space you have. And the best thing about houseplants, there's a plant for every space in your home. So even if you don't have a houseplant mad friend, you can still bring a bit of peace into the life of someone who needs it most this year.